All right, good morning. So moving on, the adjustment to our module, as we have known, has been Glide App 1, Glide App 2. So today we are looking at building an AI with, we are looking at building mobile application with AI. And of course, without wasting time, the AI tool we are looking at is what I call Pico. Pico, just on your browser, search Pico AI. Search for Pico AI. Now, because the whole idea of the class, let me take us back there. The whole idea of the class is this: building things by ourselves as well as exploring the AI tools. Okay, sorry, not this image. I think I've seen the image somewhere this morning. Apologies. Okay, I think I saw it on this chart. Yeah, here. Exploring the AI tools, the Chat GPT, BARD, and likes. Okay, for Chat GPT and BARD, they are more like each other. Chat GPT is owned by OpenAI, while BARD is owned by what's it called? Google. So it's just same of the same, you understand? But one is more powerful than BARD is owned by Microsoft, but it's more like same of the same, you understand? So we're looking at building app with Pico AI. Sorry, let me just copy the web address for easy: picoapps.xyz. picoapps.xyz. So just in your browser, you can go to picoapps.xyz. picoapps.xyz. Okay, let me explain the interface. The interface allows you to build app, but the way you are building the app, you just give your prompts. Okay, this is the kind of app I want to build. Then the AI will now generate, and any change you make, the AI will still make sure those changes are effective. So it's a Chat GPT for powered text to app. You give it text, it helps you turn it to app. Whatever thing you give is going to just understand, and you can build as many apps as possible. And of course, they have pricing. They have the free version, and of course they have where you pay for it. If you want to go pro, that is whatever app you build, you want it to be on your name, then you can pay for it and then get started properly. So they have series of plans. You can just check their app, and then these are some of their customers that are using it, and they are wonderful. So this is a pricing. The free one, you have 4 apps in total, and anybody can visit your app because it's to their own advantage anyways. Then this is the pricing. If you want to do that, you can do that. Only that you require some understanding of the AI world very well. It prompts anyway. Okay, when we get to design, talk about that one as well. Okay, moving on. Let's just get started. And I'm using my Google Mail. For a certain reason, I've been avoiding using my Google Mail, but for a certain reason, I was going to use my Google Mail here because it will give us the database, and the database is an Excel sheet, but just that it is not for Microsoft. It is Google, so it is online as well. So that said, this interface, you can use any of these builders to build your app for you: Chatbot, Pico Builder, Meta GPT. So I'm using Meta GPT. So it's just going to ask you literally what you want to build. Build me a Chat GPT app that does what. So this is where you give in your information. So maybe I want to build tour guide that provides guide to travelers. Don't worry, just click on create, and it's going to ask you to fill there. So for the sake of our database, you might want to put field there. Okay, whoever is coming to use your app, person will provide their name, probably their email, and also maybe their current location. You can put as many things as you like, and you don't have to necessarily do what I'm doing. The whole idea is you have to have something in mind. When I want to start, I decided, okay, this is what I want the app to do for me. You understand? Okay. And of course, this is the mock-up interface. This is not your app building. This is just the mock-up. It's asking you, the person provide name, email, and current location. Are you okay with that? So it depends on what you want to do. You might make your own a food location app, whereby if you're in a particular location, the app is expected to search around and help you look for the best restaurant around. So just think randomly, or maybe you are looking for a clothing store. The thing is, it's going to generate text. It's ChatGPT. It is not visual, so to say. So you just think of what you want the app to do for you. Okay, moving on. I want description based on my own app now. Description on target location. Just give me a brief of where you want to go. If you are following my own what's it called now, you can just think of any other thing you can add anyways. So when you are done with all of those things, if you have a website run, you can put a link to a website, and if not, just click on build my app and the magic will start. You just sit back, relax, enjoy, take a popcorn, take your ice cream, and the code you are doing with HTML and CSS, look at it. The AI is writing it for you by itself. And as it's doing that, it's going to keep doing it until, of course, you can copy this code. You can copy everything now. It's writing currently, but just leave it, let it keep performing its magic. You can see this is a phone interface, so the build up has started. So as it's building it up, don't ask for a logo. It's not going to give you logo. You understand? It's not going to give you logo. The reason being that it is text based. It is not visual based. Let me not use visual based. Now let me not use imagery. There's no image, so it's just going to do that for you. So this is your mobile app building, and of course you can build an app. You are free to do that. Build an app, as many apps as possible you might want to build. But let's just finish with this app. So it's working on it currently. You can see all the posts being written all for you. Okay, I think our mobile app is set. So our mobile app is set. So this is it. Whatever thing you ask here now, it will provide the answer here. Let's now search random names. Iman. Let me give another random name. Josh. My email. Say this, and then current location. I'm in Lagos. Let's say I'm going to Lekki. So generate tour guide. Yeah, man, thank you for reaching out to us. Blah blah blah. He knows by default that I am in Lagos and Lekki is in Lagos. So it's going to give me one of the places. I'm in Lagos now. I want to go to Lekki. To just know what Lekki is all about. With that, this is what your user will get now. So if you're in Lagos and you want to check out Lekki, one of the things you can check out in Lekki is Lekki Conservation area. You can go to Takwa Bay, you can go to Nikki Art Gallery, you can go to the Lekki Market, Lekki Leisure Lake, you can go to Terraculture, you can go to That is it. So your app is working and it's ready. You understand? So technically, a mobile app is ready. Technically, a mobile app is ready. But if you want to use the responses the app is generating to review your app, that's the reason why we need a database. That's the reason why we need it. So you can just create a database. Now, while you're creating the database, it has to be on Google. So the email you use in registering has to be on Google. So when you click on create database, you're going to see this video. The video is just a self-guide on how to create database. You understand? So we are going there. You can, of course, bring it out so that you can check it out very well. So these are database. This is where now is still loading. So this is your database of that very app. Now, if you have any problem on how to put the database together, you can just check out that very video on how to put the database together, and it's going to put you through on whatever thing you need to. Now, let's say you want to, let me start from the top now. Let's say you want to change some things about the app generally. This is where you go to, this is your go-to place here. Any update you want to make to the app, just write it here. If you choose this one, these are default options they gave you. If you choose this one, this is it. Now, let's say save my users in the app database and just update. So you understand that all of these things you have done before, it's okay, or just that anybody that is coming on the app will be saved on the database. So as everybody using the app, you get to have them on your database. So it's trying to make that adjustment so that anybody that is using this your app now will just get migrated straight to your user to your database. So each user is on your database. That's it, basically. You can use it to build an educational app, for example, maybe how to solve mathematics. I think let's try that out. We might not necessarily do mathematics, but just let's try an educational app since it's prompts and whatever. So I'm done with this. Let's try it out. So for every adjustment you make, let me just add that now. For every adjustment you make, it's going to take this time to roll it over and over and over and over. So you have to make sure the adjustments are precise, because if in case you are that person that rush, so it's done, it's not going to show the last thing. But now, whosoever that come on, or whosoever that use this app now, if you launch it, the person will definitely have his database saved here by default. So let's now try out another app. Okay, let's try out another app. We are building a new app. Okay, sorry. If you want to now have the app on your phone, just copy the link. Let me explain this part for us. This is where you copy the link for people to try out your app. Now, This is the embedded code. If you just paste the code in any website, it will be embedded. The moment anybody click on that code, it takes the person to use your app. Do you understand? Maybe you are building maybe one of the apps or the website you built. It requires that somebody come to this place now. Do you understand? So this is the code you copy, but this is the original code to the app. Now, the way you convert it to the app is the way you convert app, the one we did web to app. You just convert it to a mobile app using AppGeyser. Then it runs as a mobile app. So, like when you copy this link now, just go to the AppGeyser that we did in the last video. I think day 7 video. Just go there, check it out. Then place the link there. Get you an app, download the app, and share the app with as many people as possible. You understand? So that's how it runs. Okay, sorry, one other thing. Now, if you don't want their own name to appear, because if you copy this and paste, for example, it will give that it is not your own thing. But if you want to customize the name now, you want to make it your own name. All right, you want to make it your own. That's where you buy a custom domain. Of course, you're going to pay for that. Okay. Now let's try and see another app. When you want to start building another, it's going to ask you again, what do you want to build with? You can build a robot assistant app. You can build a chat GPT. So let's try and build a chatbot. Now, here we are being asked, this interface is different from the regular app that we just finished building. This one is a chatbot, it's a communicator. So it's asking you, what do you want the persona of that robot to be like? You can choose a personality, or you can choose an idea. If it's a personality, the robot will be replying as if it's that person. So for example, if you want to build a mathematics app or something, you can just look for a mathematics professor that is popular very well, that the app will definitely resonate with, or reckon with. You put the name of the person here. And if it's an idea, or let's say be a mathematics tutor assistant. So if you are running any complex problem with your mathematics, you can just ask, okay, this is just where you change the theme of the app. Want it dark, want it, all these ones, they are just by the way. Then just create a chatbot. So we are asking for a mathematics tutor assistant. Whatever problem you have as touching your mathematics, just place it in there, use the app for you, and you know the routine, how to convert to an app already. I've explained that part. So, boom. That's it. You have your mobile app. Ask me any math question and I will help you. It's generating it already. You don't need to do all the coding all by yourself. It's going to run the codes for you. It's going to give you the interface. And of course, all you need to do is to just allow people use the app. And I will expect that many of you build more of educational app and share with your friends. Let them try out your work. Or you know the process. Once you are done with Pico AI app builder, take it to appgeyser.com. Take it to AppGeyser. Yeah. When you get it there, download it to an app. Share it with your friends. You can of course just change the interface here and there. Share it with your friends. Let them have a feel of it. Oh, this is my app. Try it out. See how it do. Give me your review about it. You don't have to take it to Play Store. Later we can be discussing how to take it. But for the start, just do that. You understand? Okay. It's finishing up our app. So we are done. How to solve number based or let's just do how to solve quadratic equation with examples. You are so not doing anything. He's going to teach you everything. Just read through and get it. That's all. That's all. That is all. So if you want to just make whatever changes you want here to or the app, you make it. So that's it, guys. For this class, building app with AI, I will expect that you build 3 apps and you share with me. Just think far and wide. Be explorative. You widen your thinking. 3 apps and share with me. Thank you, and see you for our graphics class, which is another AI powered interesting class. Thank you.